Good evening, this is Keith All. In today's tutorial, it's going to be really short, but I want to show you how you could create like a zoom effect or like a motion effect using the filter blur options. So basically the end result is we're going to have like you're taking a picture inside of a car and you're moving at a very fast pace, and all this area is going to be blurred. And then at the end what we're going to do is we're going to put some focus just on this area right here, so we'll clear up the blur itself, but everything else around it will be like a blur effect. So basically, first we're going to duplicate this layer, Control J on a PC or Command J on a Mac. Now we're going to go up to Filter, Blur, Radial Blur, and then we're going to keep the amount at 28. We're going to use the zoom effect, and we're going to use the best quality right here. And here you could set where you want the blur to start from, like the center of the picture or bottom right, whatever. So I'm just going to keep it just about there. Click OK, and it takes Photoshop a few seconds to generate the effect. So be patient, it'll get done. There are many options that you could use this for, and this is just one example of how we could use it. Now see how it blurred the entire picture, so it almost looks like if you're driving in a car, you're driving very fast, everything becomes blurry. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use the eraser tool just to erase a certain portion of this image to make it more clear. How do we do that? We'll use the eraser tool. And then we'll go up here. You could set the brush size, the opacity to 100%, the flow 100%, and we're just gonna make a few dabs, and as you can see, it's clearing things up just a bit. I'm gonna decrease the size of it. And as you can see, the center of the picture is not blurry anymore. And how we could test it is if I turn off this top layer, watch what happens, okay? Now I'm going to turn it back on, and you can see that this area is now clear and more in focus. So this is one way that you could create like a zoom effect on your pictures. Hopefully this tutorial gave you an idea for your future projects or your current project. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I upload videos multiple times a week, and click on the bell notification so you always get updated when I have a new video. And also please like, share, and comment. It helps out the community, and it helps out people that are searching for tutorials like this to help them complete their projects that they're working on. So thanks for stopping by today. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.